To create a class in Google Classroom, start by navigating to a web browser and typing in Google Classroom. This will provide two options: accessing classroom management tools and resources or proceeding directly to the Google Classroom workspace. It's recommended to choose the latter option, which will take you to classroom.google.com. Here, you'll be prompted to log in with your email and password, and you'll have the option to either create or join a class. To create a class, click the plus button on the home page. Then select Create Class from the two choices presented. After reviewing and understanding the notice, click Next and enter the class details, such as the class name, section, subject, and room. Once you've filled in the required information, click Create to establish the class. The newly created class will be displayed, showing the class name, people, and grades, as well as the homepage layout. This process allows you to easily set up a class in Google Classroom. And with these steps, you'll be able to create and manage your class efficiently.